Alright, hello world, welcome back to another video. This video is going to be special because I'm not going to do any project or stuff like that. In this video, I want to specifically talk about one thing that you may or may not heard of. It's called MLH Fellowship. If you like to, you can go to fellowship.mlh.io and to take a look. The main reason I'm making this video it's because so I can get more views. Yeah, that's literally the reason I'm making this video because I think it's pretty hot topic right now, as it even mentioned in United Nations academic blog, I think. But because here's the thing, I applied to MLH Fellowship and then I got admitted. So I would like to briefly introduce the process to get in and then stuff as such. So before I begin, first and foremost, what is MLH Fellowship? According to its website, MLH Fellowship is a 12-week internship alternative for aspiring software engineering, blah, 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 blah. You can read that part. But there are mainly 3 tracks you can play to: Explorer, Open Source, and Externship. Explorer is basically exploring the open source, build projects like hackathon sprints, hackathon projects. Open source, basically, according to them, is contributing to open source projects as well as build your own ones. Externship is working with professional, government, and other partners. MLH also offered up to 5,000 need-based stipends for Explore and open source. For externship, once you admitted, you will get 4,000 base stipend, and then up to 5,000 needed based stipend. And then yes, I do apply to stipend, and I do get some of the stipend. And I applied to open source. So this is my timeline of what happened. So I completed initial application on October 19, 2020, which was my birthday. And the application review officially began December 3. I got the first interview email on December 12th. So that was pretty fast, I would say. But second interview email, not so fast. It's in a new year. It's not 2020 anymore. It's 2021. So it's January 3, and then January 18, I admitted to the MLH Fellowship. But before you apply, I just want you to know the following. You must qualify all of the following. Age, either you're over the age of 18 or over the age of 13 with parent permission. You do not reside in a country embargoed by the United States. You are able to commit the hours. Either is 20 hours per week part-time or 40 hours per week full-time. Communication, you are proficient in English, both written and spoken. Coding experience, you can proficiently code in at least one programming language. Of course, I chose Python. Environment is you have regular access to quiet workspace for media and coding, and then you have a great video call quality, internet connection, webcam, and microphone. Alright, so initial application took me roughly 20 to 30 minutes-ish to complete. I spent the most of the time in essay questions. We'll take a look. The project submitted is this GitHub clone project. From the name, it's basically an alternative to GitHub, which is a pretty famous code repository system online. And then to apply to Fellowship, you can use this link. I will leave all these resources down into the description below. So these are the essay questions. There are 3 of them. They are pretty fundamental, I would say, because basically all of the job asks, like, why do you want to join us? And then, there are really just 2 are required. And then what can you bring us to each different fellows? If you are accepted, obviously I won't tell my response, but I will just say, write truthfully. Don't exaggerate too much. I think you can exaggerate really a little bit, but don't exaggerate too much. Keep it wholesome, and then we'll see how it goes. But once you're lucky enough, you can, not lucky enough, obviously you definitely have enough experience, you can go to the first interview. So the first interview is decided by your initial application. They look as a whole. And then, no, as of now, not everyone is guaranteed to have an interview. Okay, so that means if you applied, you might get rejected right away. All right, And then we'll ask for your just general information, really just to know you. It's not like any other formal. I mean, this kind of formal, but it's not that that really technical or behavioral. Somebody calls it behavioral interview. I won't say so, but it's just really getting to know you. It's like a screener as well. It takes roughly 10 minutes. All right. Once you complete that round, you will move on to the technical interview, which is basically you explain the project that you submitted during the initial application. Note that you won't require to write any code nor solve any algorithmic challenges. And that's what I really like about this technical interview, because you don't really need to write any code. You just need to go over the project. I think that's a more practical approach. And then third thing is, if you apply to Python, make sure you know what's this line mean. This line gonna help you a lot. Alright? I won't really explain too much on what this line means. You can take a look at my past videos, where you can just search online. If name equals to main. Alright, so that's really everything I have. So this is gonna be a short video. As I said, it's just really just designed to get more views. Just kidding, it's not. But what I want to say is, every Friday, what I will do is I will do a vlog just to bring out how my 12th week, which is going to start at February 1st, ends at April 26th. I'm going to make a vlog. I'm trying to make a vlog every week and then publish it. So you guys can see what's it really like, and then to decide whether you want to apply for summer or not. All right. I hope you guys enjoyed this short videos. If you guys have any comments or questions, feel free to comment down below. Again, really thank you for watching this. Thank you for supporting me. If I without you guys, I don't know how can I make through my YouTube journey. But yeah, thank you all. Stay safe. Have a nice day. DevWithMe out.